Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be showing you the process how to apply for the University of Boston scholarships for the session 2027, open for all interested students to study bachelor's degree in United States for the academic session 2027. The process for this will close on December 1st, 2026. That's the deadline for this scholarship. We'll show the detailed application process. Before we proceed to application, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time, do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarship related content is posted and published here. The link for this scholarship in United States for the Boston University is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the upper section of the YouTube, you can see our website, fullscholarships.net, and our second website, cashandbook.com. And on Instagram, you can directly search on Google, or on Instagram, you can directly message our team or check out the stories and highlights for the link, or directly search on Google fullscholarships.net. And once you land on this page here, you can check out this particular scholarship. So, Boston University Presidential Scholarship for the session 2026 is open to international students as well as domestic students who wish to study their bachelor's degree from the Boston University, and its funded deadline is 1st of December 2026, and it's hosted in United States of America. Fields of study, you can see almost all fields are there, and eligibility criteria must be an student must be an international student and have applied for an UG program at Boston University and have good performance in high school scores, SAT scores if you have, and besides that, co-curricular activity like sports and volunteering must be there. In case you have something in language proficiency, you need to have TOEFL and IELTS, any of them. If you have previous study in English language, that's enough for this as well. Benefits will be students will receive around $25,000 per academic year. Besides this, it will reduce all overall undergraduate costs. Then documentation, you need to have a valid passport, secondary school certificate and transcripts, English proficiency test scores, IELTS, TOEFL, your previous recommendations and report from the counselors, complete academic record of previous education, and admission related documents for the selected program, if any there is, you need to submit that. Process is simple. You should have an admission from the university, and if you are not yet any admission from the university, you can apply. We'll show you that. And once you are having offer from the university, that will automatically consider for the scholarship. You can see eligible applicants will be automatically considered for the scholarship after applying for the admission. So if you're accepted in the Boston University, you'll be getting scholarship definitely. You don't need separate scholarship. That will be the offer itself will be mentioning that you will be eligible for this percentage of scholarship. It will be 175, 90, whatever it will be mentioned on the offer letter itself. Process to apply is to the common application. For that, you need to click on this link here, and once you click on that, you can see different types of scholarships are mentioned here. And for example, to apply for these scholarships, you need to have an offer, and you'll be applying for an admission. You'll be automatically considered for the scholarship. So if you go for this first year applicants here, click on this link here, and you can go back one step and click on international applicants here. There are two types of applicants, domestic and international. It will take you to the same portal, but still, if you want to read it, you can read it here. Now click on first year, and here you can see apply now, common application. Tap on this. Here you can see this is a universal portal for US colleges. In also some Ivy League colleges, they have this portal is there. And for the first time users, you need to create an application here, create an account. Click on this, create an account here, and then tap on first year student, enter the email address, retype email, create a password, and what describes you applying as a first year student. Then first name, last name, your date of birth, then phone number, privacy policy, and click on create account. Once you sign up, you'll have basic login and password that we have generated here. I'll use that same, and simply click on line sign in. Here I have my username and password. And now tap on sign in. Once you sign in for the first time, you'll have to complete your profile. So we previously have few details here. So you can see first thing is to complete the profile. So in profile, you'll have to complete all your personal details, personal information like your name, last name, that you date of birth. Then second is the address. You'll have to fill your permit address, and then contact details, basic simple details, your home phone number, your alternate phone number, then demographics, your gender, uh, then language, what language you speak, then geography and nationality. As per passport, you have to mention list of citizenship you have, then common app fee waiver in case you are from a developing citizen country. You can ask for waiver, so you can submit that here. And after this personal information, you'll have to enter your family information. Tap on family, your household details, you married, both parents you have, do you still live with them, then name of the parent one and their details, then like details of your mother and father, you have to mention that here. Then siblings, if you have, you can mention that here. Then education history, previously you have, where did you complete your high school, most recent high school you have, graduation date of that, then other secondary high schools if you have any, you can add them. Then colleges and universities, like you have done any bachelors, you have done any masters, whatever degree you have done, you can mention that. Then grades you have obtained in previous school, you can mention that. Current or most recent year courses, if you have any, you can mention that here. Honors, if you have received any, you can mention that here. Then our community based organizations involved you are in any volunteering, you can mention that. Then future plans, this you have to mention what do you wish to pursue for the future. After these three sections, you'll have to enter the testing details here. So any IELTS and TOEFL or SAT scores you have, you can mention that here. Then in the activities tab, you'll have to mention activities you have, arts you have done, responsibilities you have received, then all circumstances belong that. Then in the writing tab, you'll have to mention personal essay, then personal information, like for that you need to mention an essay. This is required for the Boston University as well as other universities. If it is not required, it will be listing here. So now once you complete all the sections here, you can see, go to additional information, you wish to add any achievements, you can mention that here. Now once you have completed profile, go back to the dashboard here, and now you'll have to click on college search here. And this scholarship is for University of Boston, so for that we'll have to mention here Boston. Here you can see it is there. So for example, what you need to do is, let me refresh this. Here you can see in your case it will be showing like this, so you have to click on add. So it is Boston University is added to your profile. Now go to my colleges here, go to Boston University here, and now you have to fill this Boston University application form. Click on general. Now you have to select the term which you wish to apply. We'll go with January 2027, regular decision. And Boston University is test optional. Please include if you have. Yes, I don't want to consider. Preferred residence during on campus. Do you qualify for application fee waiver? Select yes. Do you intend to apply for need based financial aid? Mention yes. Now, if you do not want to provide this now, you would like to do so now. Yes, I understand. Have you ever been found responsible for any disciplinary action? No. Any convictions? You have to mention yes and no. Then click on continue. Now, general information is almost done. Now is the academics. Uh, for a complete listing of majors within school and college, please click here. So you can see different colleges. For example, I'll go with computer data science. Then choose the major. Would you like to be a part of pre-professional advisory program? So you can mention. Else you can skip and click on continue. Have you previously applied to Boston? Yes and no. Then continue. Then family information. Are any siblings at Boston University? Have any relatives attended Boston? Uh, then ever worked with Boston? Yes and no. Continue. Then other information. Are you a US permanent resident? No. If you wish to submit financial documents, which can you submit that? Yes. Now you can submit a bank statement here, and now it's done. Click on review, upload, yes, and upload. What's your city and birth of country of birth? You can mention that. Then click on continue. After that, residency. Uh, we can skip this because this is asking question regarding green stats. We'll just leave this. Now essay. Uh, One is the question here, and second, what about being a Boston? How do you? So topic one or topic two, you can mention here your answer, and then you can continue. You can also upload this. Then any recommendations, you can see different recommendations. You can invite or manage recommendations here. Option one, you can assign, and you can invite others as well. Now click on continue. This is review. So we need to choose other deadline to apply for this particular information, because uh, we'll have to change, because we applied for the session that is not open right now. Let me go to the general information here and choose the decision here. Term September. Then you can mention this here. Continue. Now let's go to review. In case it is, you can, okay, academic, something is missing here. Measures. So now continue. So it should now clear this. Okay, now go to review. In case still shows like this, you can keep this complete process, and once applications open for these sessions here, you can apply for them. So like some of the decisions for the previous sessions, you can see November has been the previous decision time. So likewise this year it is approaching soon, so maybe by next week or next month the application will start for this session. So you'll have to accordingly wait for that. Until then you can complete all the information here, documentation, and once it opens you can just submit the application. Rest you have to keep all the information and data same. Here you can see some of the direct admissions as well, and some colleges offer direct admissions without having you wait, so there might be some fee. You can see two of college on my list have been submitted. So previously we have submitted for the University of Miami, and you can see application was submitted there. But like for this Boston University, the application will be opening just in a few weeks, and then you can simply submit. Until then you need to complete the personal profile as well as the college profile here. And if you wish to add other colleges, you can go and go to college search here. You can check out different colleges from the US, and some of them have always their scholarships available throughout the year. You can apply to them as well. You don't need to wait for just Boston. You can apply for different. That's the reason I said this is a universal platform by US Ivy League as well as normal college or universities. You can see Caltech is also there. Every top university, every college of the US is there listed. Even outside of the US, some of the colleges are there sometimes. So you need to check. You can see almost every USA college or university is there. So you can add to them and apply to them as well. That's the simple common portal application. and process was there about the Boston University presidential scholarship. If you already got offer, you'll have received the scholarship offer as well. And in case you are not applied for the university admission first, you can apply through this common app portal as I have showed here. So that's it. And once you submit the application, it will be showing submitted like this wise. And until then, once the application opens, you need to complete a profile as we did, and rest you need to submit once the application just opens for you. Till then, just watch our website. Keep visiting our website, fullscholarships.net. Do subscribe and share this video. Do follow us on Instagram page as well. And till then, keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.